Hello my friends, my name is Sam. Today I'm going to show every beginner how he can make a good amount of money with this basic strategies that I will show you today. Even if you are a guy having experience with trading, I'm really sure what I will show you today, it will be a completely new analysis that you will see. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First of all, we will open a website called TradingViewer. From the website, I will draw some lines. Through these lines, you will be able to understand how the market is going, what to do on the trade, even if it will be a buy or a sell, to make it easier for you to open your trade. Let's get started, guys. I will start for the drawing now and wait, and I will give you all of the details about what I'm drawing exactly. We will choose this point is the lowest point, and this point is the highest point here. And here also, here. 1 second, guys. Now let's talk about this market. I see it looks nice. It looks amazing, honestly, because as you see here, we were on the bottom of the chart. Then we went to the highest point. From this point, we went down. So let's say if this was the break of structure, it will be a line. We will choose this line and we'll put it like this. So when it goes down from here, from the lowest point is in here, if it went up directly higher from this point, directly you can open your trade on a buy, because you can see here, this is the highest point. And now it went up to the higher point than it. On the same side, if we choose this point as a breakup structure, we have to wait until the price came lower than this one to open our trade on a sell. But as you see here, even here, it's not eligible to be a sale. So we will not choose this one. We will choose from this point, sorry, 1 second, guys. From this point to here, here will be the breakup structure for this point. So when it goes down from this point, we will choose this one as a trade, because here it went more down. So on this point, I can open my trade directly on a sale, as I see here. Even here, as you see here, we can use also this. 1 second, guys. 1 second. As you see here, this is the lowest point here, and here we can open our trade on a sell. So now I think you kindly get the point from the break of structure, which is called the BOS strategy. It's very simple. You have to have a look on the market and know what to do and when to do your sell or buy. So let's go and try it on bucket option right now. Let's go, guys. So on this kind of strategy that I will use right now, I will use only 1 minute time trading, and I will see what we can do. And also I will draw for you on the bucket option to be able to know what is helpful and to read the market as we made on TradingViewer website. So let's see. For example, I'm here already opened AUD CAD currency, and 1 second, let's start drawing. So it went from here to here, then from here to this point, it went up, came down again, now it went up here. As I see here, if we choose this point that I'm pointing right here is a break of structure, so now we can open our trade on a buy. So we'll open it on a buy for a 1 minute. We'll open our trade on a buy for a 1 minute, and let's see. Mostly it will go up, and we'll see that I think 90% that this trade will go well according what I read on the market on this currency. So let's wait. There will be a couple of seconds. And as you see, I made a profit with $365 from this trade. I don't think it was hard to do this trade. It was very easy. I just took some seconds to read the market. I draw some lines, and from what I saw on the market and the break of structure point that I use was correct, as every one of you saw. So we made this trade. And now let's start looking for our second trade. Let's choose a currency. I will choose USD JPY. As I can see, this kind of, it looks nice. Let me draw something to see what we will find. 1 second. I will start drawing from here to here to here. So I think if it breaks down on this point or break it more than this point, I can open my trade on a buy. I can go back and open my trade on a buy because this will be the break of structure, this point to here. So it will go more than this. So let's find out. And we'll open our trade for a 1 minute as we mentioned, and let's wait and see. I always say it on my videos and I will keep saying it. It's all about practice. You have to know more about the market, be able to read the market, understand why the price is going up and going down. All of these things will help you to be a professional trader. So keep practicing, keep doing it, and one time you will be a professional trader as like me. I have a good feeling that I will make it because it's only 2 seconds and I made it. I made a profit with $460 from my second trade. I got it, but let's see our third trade, what it will look like. And let's get started with our third trade. In this trade, I'm planning to do it on a sell. I don't want to do a buy trade right now. I don't think this one will be able to be a sell trade. So we'll look for another currency. I think this one will be a good example to do a buy. A sell. 1 second. Let's take a look. I see a good line which the price is going high and now it starts breaking down and it went up again. No, as I see here, it will went up because if we choose this line as a break of structure, so it have to go up of it or touch it and go down again. So no, we will not choose this currency. We'll choose another one. It's okay. You have to keep looking, keep practicing, keep reading the chart time by time. You will be able to be a professional with it and it will be much easier. Let's take a look. Currency which is USD and INR, sorry, I didn't read it well. So here, so I think the price will start going low. Yeah, I think it will start going low. We'll now open our trade on a sell. As you see, from this strategy, I made almost $800 with 5 minutes. I just kept on looking for the currency that I can read the chart properly, as I can analyze it and make it as I already told you, the break of structure and the points, and it's going up and down. So I will look to all of these points. Then in the end, I will see if I can open my trade on a buy or sell. And also I get a profit with $460 extra from this trade. So it was very good trade. And now we'll do our last chance to see. It will be our last trade, our fourth trade. Let's look for another currency. I will use GBP, JPY. Let's look to this currency. 1 second. Let me see, let me draw it first. I will not judge before I draw. Don't judge it directly, guys. Just draw it first. You don't have to put the lines really close to each other. As you see here, it's going up, it's going down here, it's going a little bit up. No, but as you see here, there is a slight down movement here. So choose it. It will be much easier for you to make you understand what the market looks like and understand how it's going up and going down. So easy. We'll choose this point to this point. Now it went up, it went down here, up here, and it went down. So I think I will open this trade on a sell, because as you see here, this will be the lowest point, and here it didn't touch. So it will keep going down until it reaches this point, or maybe it will go lower, but most probably it will touch or it will go lower. But I don't think at all it will break from here to up. So I'll open our trade on a sell. See, as you see, it touches the point, this point, it went up. Okay. So, as I mentioned, I wasn't following the market. It's already touched the point because I took a screen and I stopped for a couple of seconds and the market keep going. I didn't recognize that it went to the same point here as I mentioned, and directly it went up again. So let's see. I think that I will not get this trade. It will reach here. Maybe it will break this point, or it will reach the point and it will went down. But see, it reached this point and it will went down. As you see, I lost this trade, but anyhow, it was a good try. I showed you how to read it. I get so hurry. I made the trade, but I don't regret what I made at all. It was a try. It was a good try. We made three trades, and the last one, it was unsuccessful. So it's all about practice. Even me as a professional, I can lose sometime. It's okay. But think about what you made in the beginning. That will make you a winner. And that's how I can make money with less effort. I believe trading is only 20% of effort brings 80% of results. If I can do it, I believe anyone can do it also. Guys, I want to share a small story. I was living in a poor family. My father used to struggle to have the money just to put a food on our table. Also, to put us in a house and there is a roof on our top. When I started making money by trading, I tried to lift my family up and make them live a better life than they used to live. I think every one of you have the same story or a story similar to it. And everyone have someone that he loves from his family. And of course, everyone loves his family and want to provide the same effort that they used to provide for him when they used to be kids. So that's what I did, guys. You can go to my Telegram channel. I will share right there the whole story about me when I used to be a poor, and now I have a good amount of money that can lift me and my family, and I'm living my life as anyone can wish to live it here in Dubai. So go to the link below and subscribe to my Telegram channel, and let's see you in other videos. Bye guys.